Hello guys, this is my last vlog of the day because I have to sleep. But for today, for this vlog, we're doing blind ranking fruit. I love fruit. Apple, we're starting off with. I don't really like apples that much. There's a lot more fruit that I love. I'm gonna put it at 5. It's a classic. Pineapple. Ooh, I love me some pineapple. 4. Strawberry. I should have put apple a bit lower now, I think. But I think I have to put strawberry at 8. Sorry, strawberry. I love peach. I love peaches. I don't know if it's better than a pineapple, but it's so much better than an apple. I'm going to put it at 6. Cherries. 7. It's mango. Number 1, my favorite fruit in the world. A pear. 10. I don't like pears. Orange. Oranges aren't bad. But still they're still bad. 9. Banana. I like me some banana. Yo. Let me go get a banana. Oh no. I don't think I'm allowed to. Yeah, I don't care. Number 3. Last but not least, a watermelon. Ooh, I love me some watermelon too. I love my list. Let me know what you would have picked.